What's up, guys? Some of you call this vehicle Chura, which is, I find it a little bit of disrespectful, but that is your opinion. So with us here is a 2016 Nissan Juke, aka the Frog, aka Chura, and as you can see, so it looks like. So come with me. So this is how this vehicle looks like at the back. So today we're going to start with the boot. So this is the boot section of this vehicle. To be honest, the boot is not it's not that spacious as we expect it to be. But comparing the boot of the Juke and the Vezel, I will go for the Vezel because it's a bit more spacious. So this one has some added lips on the bumper here, which makes it look a little bit aggressive. Ni kachura bado, but kachura kanakaa vizuri. So come with me, let us test the legroom. And for the Juke, this is how you tell this is a Juke. No, this is where you open it from. So, for you to get inside let us test the legroom. So come with me. So when you get in here, remember, I am 5'9", so this is the sitting position. Comparing this and the Honda Vezel has a more comfortable sitting position as compared to this, but this one is not also that bad. So let us go at the front and check other things. But before we get inside, these side mirrors come with blinkers. As you can see, these are the blinkers for the side mirrors. So let us hop inside. So the moment you get in here, this is how it looks like from the inside. So it comes with a variety of features. So for instance, comes with the anti-collision assist, lane keeping assist. This is the auto off when it's idle, traction control, and then we will insert comes with a multifunctional steering wheel because it only has a few functions. We can say it's multifunctional. It only has option for volume, voice control, and controlling those other options such as the infotainment system. You know, all that. Let me put it on so that we'll be able to assess the infotainment system. So this is how it looks like. And then obviously Nissan. Guys, there is aircon, which also has a small infotainment system here where you can like monitor the AC, you know, all that. And then this is it's taking too long to load. I don't know why, but anyway, that is how it looks like. Quite simple. And then this vehicle is a 1.5 liter. So let us pop the hood and get to see how the engine looks like. So let me pop the hood. So this is what it is. Shit, a big shock. So let us check how this vehicle looks like at the front. So these are 1.5 liter. We have my G hapa hivi jamaa wa bima, najitanga jamaa wa bima. So this is a 1.5 liter 1500cc. These ones share the same engine capacity like the Honda Vezel, you know, they are almost in the same class. But this one goes for 1.75 million Kenyan shillings. Price wise, it's a little bit more cheap, actually way cheaper than the Honda Vezels. Naona nakuja na mataa kadhaa. So guys, make sure that you subscribe for more car content, and also if you're looking to buy a vehicle, don't forget to inbox me. And also if you're watching this content from TikTok, make sure that you repost that video, and also go to my YouTube channel at Son of a Chief and give me that follow and give me that like. Then let us grow this family. By the end of the year, we should be having our own website, that is Karani Automobiles. Tuone mahali tutafika. See you in the next video. Peace.